Hello student, welcome to today's chemistry lecture alcohols, phenols and ether. Now student, in yesterday video lecture we have to see the chemical properties number 1 laboratory test for alcohols and phenols. There are three reactions involving in the chemical properties of alcohols and phenol. First one is the laboratory test for alcohol and phenol. Second one, the reaction involving breaking of OH bond between alcohol or the phenol. And third one is the breaking of CO bond in alcohol or the phenols. Okay. Now, in last video lecture, we have to complete the laboratory test for alcohols and phenols. So, student, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss the next chemical property, that is breaking of OH bond reactions. The reactions involving the breaking of OH bond. Okay, now student, from the laboratory test it is clear that alcohols in aqueous solution it is a neutral, and phenol in aqueous solution it is a weakly acidic in natures. So their ionization property is the different because they are the resonance stabilization of a group. So first of all, see the alcohol. When in aqueous solution, alcohol, that is represented as ROH, react with water molecule. This one is the reversible reactions, so we can use the double-headed arrows. Okay, it forms the alkoxide like RO minus plus H3O plus. So this one is the conjugate base, and this cannot be stabilized by the resonating structure. This alkoxide does not stabilize by the resonating structure or simply one structure. When the phenol reacts with water molecule, it forms the phenoxide ion, and that phenoxide ion is the resonance stabilized, so its ionization is more. Okay, so let's see the phenol structure is like that. This one is the phenol. OH react with water molecule. Now it forms the phenoxide ion. O minus plus H3O plus. Okay, this one is the phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. And that phenoxide ion is stabilized by the resonating structure. So, in this way, we can draw the resonating structure O minus. Here, double bond, single bond, double bond undergoes the resonating structure like that. So it forms double bond O, here minus charge, here again double bond, next one negative charge goes towards here and the next bond shifted to that side. So next structure is like that. This one is the benzene ring. Okay, double bond O, here double bond, negative charge, double bond. Here double bond, here negative charge. So this electron shifted here and to form the next resonating structure like that. Here one double bond O, here negative charge, here double bond, single bond. Hence, in this way, phenoxide ion is resonized or resonatically stabilized by the resonance effect. Okay, so that's why the ionization is different in alcohol and the phenols. So this one is the acidic character of alcohol and the phenols. So first one is the reaction involving the breaking of OH bond is acidic character of alcohol and phenol. In that case, the breaking of bond between OH bond Okay, so this one is the reaction is acidic character of alcohol and phenol. Okay, so this one is the first property between the reaction involving breaking of OH bond. Understood? Next one, esterification. Reaction involving breaking of OH bond involves second reaction, esterification, means the formation of ester. How is it formed? Second reaction, esterification. Esterification means the formation of ester. So when alcohol or the phenol react with carboxylic acid, acid chloride, acid anhydride, it forms the ester. This reaction is known as the esterification. How is it formed? When the alcohol or the phenol react with carboxylic acid or acid chloride or acid anhydride, it forms the ester. That is called as the esterification, means the reaction between alcohol or phenol with carboxylic acid, either acetyl chloride or the acid anhydride, it forms the ester. It is called as the esterification reaction. This esterification reaction is reversible. That's why here we can use the catalyst sulfuric acid. When they use a sulfuric acid, so removal of water molecule takes place and to form the ester. So first of all, we study the first reaction, that is reaction with carboxylic acid. अल्कोहोल आणि फेनॉल दोघांचेही रिॲक्शन आपण सायमल्टेनियसली पाहत आहोत. सो लेट सी द इस्टरिफिकेशन रिॲक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहोल अँड फेनॉल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अल्कोहोल ROH react with carboxylic acid. Here we can use R dash OH C double bond O R dash. Okay, in presence of sulfuric acid as a catalyst to lose the water molecule. In this way, in that reaction to lose the water molecule means the breaking of bond between oxygen and the hydrogen in alcohol. So it forms the ester like that, ROC double bond O ROC double bond O R dash plus water molecule. So it forms the ester from alcohol by using carboxylic acid. In this way, phenol again form the ester. Phenol represented as AROH react with carboxylic acid RCO R dash. In presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to remove the water molecule. So again here the breaking of bond between oxygen and hydrogen. So AROC double bond O R dash plus H2O. This one is the ester. This reaction is known as the esterification reaction. It reacts with carboxylic acid. Next, it forms the ester when react with the acetyl chloride. So next type, this one is the carboxylic acid. This react with the acetyl chloride. So again, ROH, alcohol, react with what is acetyl chloride, Cl C double bond O R. Okay. In this case, we can use the pyridine as a base to neutralize the acid. या ठिकाणी pyridine हा बेस वापरला जातो. Here pyridine is a stronger base to neutralize the HCl remove in this reaction. या रिॲक्शन मध्ये जे काही HCl बाहेर पडणार आहे त्याला न्यूट्रलाइज करण्यासाठी पायरिडीन सारखा स्ट्रॉंगर बेस या ठिकाणी आपण वापरत असतो. सो हियर ब्रेकिंग ऑफ OH bond, this H and this Cl forms the HCl. What is the product? R O C double bond O R dash. So R O C double bond O R dash plus HCl, and this HCl is neutralized by the using pyridine. Okay, in this way we can prepare the ester from alcohol by using acid chloride. Third one, alcohol. This one is the alcohol. Next one, phenol react with acetyl chloride. What is the formula? AROH react with acetyl chloride in presence of a pyridine as a base. Okay. So here again breaking of OH bond between phenol. So this H and this Cl forms the ester AROC double bond O R plus HCl. This HCl is neutralized by using this pyridine. So this one is the ester. So this reaction is known as the esterification reaction. Okay. In that, like by using the acid chloride, हे झालं आपण ऍसिड क्लोराइड वापरून आता ऍसिड अनहायड्राइड वापरून आपण या ठिकाणी पुन्हा हे तयार करणार आहोत. व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ ऍसिड अनहायड्राइड? CH3 C double bond O O CO CH3. So alcohol when react with acid anhydride, okay, in presence of a H2SO4 or the H plus as a stronger base. So here again breaking of bond between oxygen and hydrogen. So this bond break and here gives R O C double bond O CH3. हा पार्ट आणि हा पार्ट एकत्र आला. बरोबर आहे. काय शिल्लक राहिलं? CH3COO आणि हा H म्हणजेच ऍसिटिक ऍसिड. This one is the formation of ester. In this way we can prepare the ester by using acid anhydride. Next one, preparation of ester from alcohol by using acid anhydride. Acid anhydride वापरून सुद्धा फेनॉल पासून आपण ester तयार करू शकतो. So AROH react with acid anhydride CH3COO CH3CH3 in presence of a H plus. There is breaking of bond. Here again breaking of bond. This one is the negatively charged. This one is the positively. This one is the negatively. Negatively charged कोणाकडे attract होतो? Positive कडे. So this ARO minus attaches to that. So here CH3COO minus AR plus O minus gives this H plus ion. So here HOC double bond O CH3 ester plus carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. This one is the formation of ester. So it is called as the esterification reaction. Then acetyl derivatives. Next one, acetyl derivative. पुढची रिॲक्शन आपल्याला या ठिकाणी पाहायची पहा. acetyl derivative ची. Let's see the acetyl derivative. What is the acetyl group? Now see here, this CH3CO is the acetyl group. हा काय आहे या ठिकाणी? ऍसिटिल ग्रुप आहे. हा कशा कशापासून येतो? ऍसिटिल क्लोराइड, ऍसिड अँड द ऍसिड अनहायड्राइड. सो व्हेन सॅलिसिलिक ऍसिड रिॲक्ट विथ ऍसिड अनहायड्राइड इट गिव्स द aspirin or the acetyl derivative. What is the salicylic acid? Now see here, COOH, here OH. So its name is salicylic. salicylic acid. Okay, react with acid anhydride. What is the formula? CH3 C double bond O, O C double bond O CH3 in presence of a H plus, that is sulfuric acid. So the reaction is reaction involving breaking of OH bond. रिएक्शन कोणत्या प्रकारची आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये ऑक्सिजन आणि हायड्रोजन मधला बॉन्ड ब्रेक होणार आहे. सो हिअर अगेन द ब्रेकिंग ऑफ OH बॉन्ड. So O gives minus charge, here is H plus. So O minus A, so it is attached to the electrophilic carbon atom and this bond breaks. हा जो O minus आहे हा कशाला अटॅच होईल? या ग्रुपला, इन दिस वे. आणि हा बॉन्ड या ठिकाणी ब्रेक होईल. याच्यावरती काय चार्ज क्रिएट होईल? मायनस. So this minus and this plus gives the separate product and this gives the separate product. What is the product here? I will write here. काय प्रोडक्ट मिळतो बघा या ठिकाणी आपल्याला? First of all here H plus. This one is the benzene ring. Okay, COOH as it is. या ठिकाणी हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक झालाय. सो हिअर O कुठल्या ग्रुपला जोडला आपण? COCH3 plus H attaches to the oxygen atom, so OH COCH3, OH COCH3, and that one is the acetyl derivative of salicylic acid. Acetyl derivative of salicylic acid or the acetyl salicylic acid, that is also called as the aspirin and it is used in a medicine. आणि हे कशामध्ये वापरलं जातं तर मेडिसिन्स मध्ये वापरलं जातं. सो दिस वन इज द acetyl derivative reactions and that product is also called as the aspirin. How is it formed? When the salicylic acid react with acid anhydride in presence of a sulfuric acid, it forms the ester like acetyl salicylic acid, that is known as the aspirin. So this it is useful in the medicines. Okay, so student, in today's lecture we are discussed the reactions involving the breaking of OH bond in details. The reaction involving third reaction involving breaking of CO bond will be discussed in next video lecture. Thank you.